There's my guys waiting on me, and happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And we have sun today. It's glorious sunshine, but it's deceptive out there because it's in the 30s. We're only going to get into the 40s today, so it's not like it's going to be, oh, a nice spring day out here. No, not quite. Hi. Hi. Good morning. But say we'll take it drying out a little bit. Able to put our food on the bricks over here instead of in the cat hotel. All those things. Aww. I tell you, Morris has turned into a real affectionate sweetheart. Yeah, our bricks aren't messed up like they are some mornings, are they, Morris? Hi, Morris. And Stripe and Marty in the house, they're pretty good until 6:30 to 7:30. Then they just meow a time or two, ask to go out, open the door, poof, there they go, and it's all good. Hi, guys. I would rub you more, but you're facing the wrong way. I can't reach you. Don's been out and straightened the inflatables up and cleared the plate for me so I could start my 3D print. I'm thinking he covered the thing last night because of the temps. It was supposed to get down just to freezing, so he covered that. This is fine. He had a meeting scheduled for today, but it got canceled till next week. So I don't think he has too busy of a day work-wise today. Yep, glorious blue skies. I'm liking it. Stripe and I did our walkabout. Everything appears to be in order out there. A little too cold to be wanting to do too much, though. Pretty soon we'll be seeing leaves budding out up there. Not noticing it too much yet. Good morning. Good morning. Whoops, sorry. Hi. How are you, sweet pea? Get that out of your way. Hi. Don just told me he's surprised nobody's actually done anything over here because it was a lot of money to get the lot ready. And we got the lawn crew, and we're going to try to walk the trail. And we're kind of walking on this side to give them space, and because there's a lot of trash on this side. We're not doing the whole walk, we're just between here and the trailhead. Well, they've already boomed us one time this morning, but I don't see the fire marshal waiting on them down there right now, though. So I guess there's not another imminent boom. I have missed the sound of the creek over here. Goodness knows we've had enough rain lately for it to be running and making some pretty sounds over the rocks. They're right on the opposite side of those tall trees is where we put up the one bluebird box near the retention pond. And a few other people on the trail today. Also, well, I am enjoying the trail today. More birds, running water, good bit of sunlight just because it's a pretty day. It's good. We stop a lot picking up trash and doing stuff along the way, so our time is never good, but I can just tell you when we're not bent over picking up trash today, we're booking pretty good for us. Right, Donnie? Right. It's not lost on me that your weight vest is over double my weight vest.
I got my shoulders situated. I had a loose strap and then kept causing my vest to slide and bothering my shoulder, but other than that, I'm good now.
Yeah, Don had to readjust his weight vest. He has a new one ready to go, so just as soon as that shoulder will just, fall apart.
Putting that one out on eBay, see somebody else would like to.
No,
No?
no. I want you in the new one. I'm sort of tired of looking at the frayed shoulder. So I'm hoping for it to just fall on the ground one day, not on your foot. And then you have to break out the new one. Waste not, want not, though.
Right.
We're back home from our walk. It's 12:15. I'm making the shepherd's pie that I make so often. Dawn is loading up to go to the landfill in the GMC. It doesn't really matter. Because, you know, the van is still not sorted out yet. Dawn might look at it Sunday. We're looking for I suppose he could today, but probably Sunday. Looking for a sunny day, looking for a warmish day. Yeah. Anyway, that's what's up. I got several things. I told Dawn I wasn't going to drive with him today. He'll listen to his podcast. It'll be fine. But I got energy and time, and I'm going to light a fire and get some stuff done. It sure was yummy. Really hard to see, but I put some garland on the tree that has little foil hearts on it. And then I had several styles of Valentine's Day ornaments that I put on various levels. Since it's still here, I figured why not dress it up. It could use a few more things, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. I've got 30 minutes until Guardian Angel closes, and that should be enough for me to pop in and see if there's anything pink, red, or purple left up front that I want to set on my tree, now that I've decided to for sure leave it out the rest of this month. Turned out to be a really nice day. I hope they're wrong about tomorrow's rain. Right now it's 51 and sunny. It's really nice. Time for the bags numbered 3. Lots of little parts. Very few big chunky parts. Well, I finished bags with the number 3. This awning went on, the seats, all the glass front windows, the tulips here at the flower shop, this really nice translucent wall at the back, all of the top pieces that make it ready for the next floor. It was a lot of pieces, and it was really fun. I lost a piece. It went flying, and I don't know where it is. I have that piece. If it doesn't turn up here tomorrow, I'll go lift it out of whichever, find that bin and lift it out. So yeah. Coming along.